Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Monday, the 6th of June 2016. So Friday's non-farm payroll figures came out far worse than expected. They were forecast to come out at 159,000 new jobs created, but hit the market with just 38. So dire figures for the Fed, and no doubt this is going to put Yellen's rate increase on hold, certainly for June, unless she sees any other change, because her decision in December was based upon the increasing number of jobs that were created and the labour participation figures, and now this has been scuppered with the figures that were released during Friday. It also goes to prove what I've been saying for a long time, that we're heading for a global recession, and that's my opinion, and it will remain that way as well. These things are like oil tankers. They don't turn up in 5 minutes or stop within 5 minutes. It would take miles to stop, and this is the same for the global economy. It takes a moment or two for it to actually work its way around the globe, but that's what's happening, and this is proof again that we're on course for this to actually happen. We're 8 years into the last crisis that's never been sorted. And I read a report this morning saying that the global debt now is 5 times greater than it was in 2008. So no surprises for me, because I've spoken about this for years, and it seems to be coming to fruition now. So we had a sell signal, but this was due out just before the manufacturing figures, which came out worse than expected as well. This sent the market down a bit further after the market had already moved and gapped lower on the non-farm pay figures. So the market moved down, found support at the 17,700. That was enough of a move to the downside for the plunge protection team. They entered the market. We see the market moving back to the upside. This time we see the market driving through the 20-point scalp, coming back, trading sideways, and then trading up to the 17,800 level before the market then became quiet. And then later on in the evening session at 25 minutes past 7, we had another buy signal which went up to finish the day off there with another scalp trade, or just below actually, because this one started to come back towards the entry price there. Did drive through, but then failed to hold, unlike earlier. But objective achieved by the plunge protection team there. The market brought all the way back from where the market actually gapped. Nothing but blatant and pure manipulation there. In the daily chart, the market sideways. You can see prices there sideways for the last 3 days. Expect more of this, with probably a bit more pressure to the downside as well, as the interest rate increase is likely to be off the cards. Yellen is actually speaking later today. She's being wheeled out at 5:30 to give her opinion on about the US economy, so it'll be interesting to see what she has to say. Stay out of the market at this time. Nothing official. As far as what I mean official is to make a statement about interest rate increases or decreases, unless she's going to be spontaneous. But other than that, it's generally just the sort of, the US economy is doing fine. We're keeping an eye on the global markets, and we're doing a fine and dandy job. Not, but that's what the rhetoric will be. And finally, for the implied volatility, this dropping on Friday, as I say, the plunge protection team did their best to move the markets up. You can see there we're now getting into a narrower sideways range with this. I've never seen it like this before. This is absolutely amazing how that we had a down day, and yet we had a down day with the implied volatility as well. But then again, when you've got unlimited resources, as the Fed has, and to bring the market back up to make everything look as if it's fine, then it's no problem at all. We did see the sideways movement last year. Again, I have spoken about this many times last year. Same pattern building for the inevitable move to the downside, which is just around the corner. Right, that's it for today. I will see you in tomorrow's, unless there's anything else to report. Other than that, have a great day. See you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.